Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at a little bit more on graphical user interface. Here what we are going to do is we are going to create a JButton. For that one you have to import this bunch of things. I don't want to type everything, so I just put it already. You can take a look at it. If you watch my previous video you already know what this thing will do. Now also after you created this, here also I created a new class called GUI, graphical user interface. And then I imported all these things. The next thing you have to do is you have to do an inheritance like GUI extends JFrame. After you have done this, just go to the main body. Like after our class, I'm going to type private button, private JButton, JButton regular, and then private private JButton custom. Here I'm going to take two videos to explain this one. Here I'm going to type some codes and I'm going to show you the actual action in the next video. Okay, so just bear with me. I'm going to type the public method. I'm going to create a method called GUI, public GUI in this one, inside of this one. Super is the title we can get on the screen. That is, I'm going to just name it as the title, and then we are going to set a layout, set layout, and that is new flow layout, okay, and then a bracket and then a semicolon. The next thing is we are going to create regular is equal to new JButton, that is regular button, reg button, and the next thing is add reg semicolon, and then here I'm going to type icon B is equal to new image icon, get class bracket get resource, and that's going to come from b.png, and then semicolon. I'm going to do this one more time, so I copy this one and paste it right here, and I'm going to name this icon as X, and new image icon, get class get resource, this is x.png. okay, and the next thing is custom is equal to new JButton, and then custom comma B semicolon, and then custom dot set roll over icon X, okay, and finally the last one is add custom. Now that's it in this coding. Now let's go ahead and fix all these errors. I'm seeing an error here, public GUI. What is that error? Open okay, this one p should be small p, and here I am seeing another error, icon b is equal to new image icon bracket get class bracket dot get resource SOUR, okay, this one should be CE, Okay, I have no errors. I'm gonna put this into action in my next video. So don't forget to watch that video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next video.